In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, you need to launch settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on notifications. Then click on app notifications at the top and to manage them, click on this icon of a magnifying glass at the top right corner to find an app you wanna manage instantly, or to sort your apps, use this icon on the right. Now filter by to see all of your apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, or only apps with notifications already blocked. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit OK. Now to block notifications from chosen apps, use blue switches next to them. To switch them off, click on the same, now grey ones. If you wish, you can always click on any app on the left and not only switch off or turn on notifications at the top, but also manage all of those other notification options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!